Hey, what's up guys? Pat Gagliano here from Finished Basements, and we're here with Gory, who did this amazing design on this basement. We'd love to walk you through what we accomplished here together, and we're starting right here in the family room.
So this is sort of our cozy TV area, right? We put this nice electrical fireplace that looks very realistic. It gives off heat actually, and then we painted it dark. There's hidden doors on both sides where they can store their AV equipment and everything, and we did really classic molding throughout, painted the ceiling dark as well, and we did some molding on the ceiling.
LED
lights just to bring it all together.
So one thing you're gonna find is this theme in this basement, it's super elegant, but we had the challenges of low ceiling heights. So we really were as creative as we could with the ceiling heights, and you'll see that as we go through the basement, and it really just came out fantastic.
Absolutely. There's this beautiful bar on the back where you can still sit and watch TV together as a family.
And one of the things I really like that you did here too is you lowered this counter to, I guess, counter height instead of bar height, because we had the lower ceilings.
Right, exactly. And I think that, it gives it an illusion of more space, but since the couch is lower, it's not getting in the way of the lower counter height.
Yeah, it was great and necessary. So in this area here, this is where you enter from the house, and it was challenging because there was a bunch of utilities here. You're coming up with this beautiful design here for this wall.
There's actually 3 hidden doors here. We did the slat look to sort of camouflage all the hidden doors, and they came out really well actually.
Yeah. And another one over here really just looks great, and it alleviates having a bunch of door, which wouldn't be very attractive when you came down the stairs, where this looks gorgeous.
Right, and it's timeless, right? It's not busy, it's very classy, and it will stand the test of time.
Perfect. All right, so as you wrap around out of that family room into this area, we have this really perfect wet bar.
With the bar, the countertops is actually quartz, but it's a printed quartz that looks a lot like marble, and it's still durable for the bar area, but just gorgeous. It looks exactly like marble. And then we did these floating LED shelves, storage on the side, sink in the middle. Over here we have another hidden door, double hidden door, tucked away a freezer, and we used the same molding design that we did on that far wall, so it sort of mimics each other, but we painted it light to sort of flow with the rest of this wall.
This kind of brings us right into the main open area of the basement here.
Right, which is absolutely gorgeous. Sort of like a gallery or a nice hotel lobby, and that's sort of the feel we went for. These paintings actually are hidden storage, which is really cool. Right here.
Yeah, they all open. And what's interesting about these paintings too, this whole style is cool because it does feel like a gallery here. I feel like a really high-end hotel lobby, but the homeowner actually had a friend that painted these, so really sharp looking.
Right, and they actually mimicked the design that I put together so well. I was blown away by it.
All right, so now as we're coming through this main part of the basement, again, this is the longest area. It was a little tight here, and it was a large fireplace here existing that was demoed with a big mantle. You came up with a great design here, making this nice sitting area.
Right, we wanted to look really clean and modern. Like you said, it was very bulky before, so we got rid of the bulkiness of it, made it very sleek with the matte quartz, and then again, the printed quartz on the top. I think what's the best about this basement is there's different spaces to sit in. And this is a nice cozy space right by the fireplace as a sitting area instead of a wasted space,
I
right?
agree. It's perfect. So this is actually an entrance on the opposite side of the basement from the outside. Really unique entrance, all finished off tiled. There's actually a coat closet here. Love that there's a smoked glass here that lets that natural light in, and then you got this landing bench.
Right, and then if you go back to that tile, the tile actually ties in the bathroom, which you'll see soon, and it all sort of flows so nicely. So it's almost like as you're entering, you know what the theme of the basement is going to be just based on the way that looks.
Yeah, it's like one of the nicest entrances I've seen.
Exactly. I think it's just it gives you that feeling, okay, this is what it's going to look like inside. And then we did this mudroom sort of area with storage in the bench and the sides. This way they can, put their shoes or towels or whatever from the pool.
Last thing I want to point out is we had a little dead space right here, and the customer did want a sauna, and we just couldn't figure out where to put it. He actually did some research and found a very, very unique unit. This is actually a sauna, believe it or not. This whole thing, I don't want to mess it up here, but this whole thing accordions and pops out and gets big enough for you to sit in there, but yet tucks away when you're not using it. which is super unique and great use of the space.
And again, really sleek looking, really modern. Colors go perfectly with the rest of the basement.
Just adjacent to this door, we have the bathroom. So this bathroom is really special. Why don't you walk us through here?
Yes, I think this is one of my favorite bathrooms. I think with the color, you know, the wood on the back tile that sort of accents the entire bathroom with the darker floor, darker walls. Really masculine, and again, going with the rest of the theme of the basement.
Just so many cool things going on in here. I don't even know what to point out between the glass and the LED light shelf and the sconces. It's like, it's drawing me to all that stuff and taking me away from the fact that the ceiling is low.
Exactly.
It's really awesome.
Exactly. It's just designed perfectly, I think.
Yeah. Just adjacent to that, we have a legal bedroom with an egress window. So check this out. All right, one of the things here is we have a tray ceiling going all the way around. You see the egress window behind me, and we created this really cool hidden bed.
And it's a Murphy bed, right? And it comes down, and the queen is actually put on the side. The queen bed is put on the side. This way, we have enough space still.
Because we didn't have the height to make it fold down this way.
Exactly.
So this was custom built. It's not something you could buy online.
Right, there's a hidden door
there.
there.
There's another door here going into the sump pump for the bathroom.
Right.
Yeah.
And again, I think with this basement, I think the theme really is multi-use, right? So this can be an office, this can be a sitting area for the kids watching TV, it can be a bedroom, and we three rooms in one area. I
really
think it came out really well.
The amount of stuff that is in this basement is really incredible, and yet it doesn't feel crowded at all.
Yeah, everything has a purpose, and every space is utilized just beautifully.
All right, guys, so we really appreciate you guys taking the tour. Hope you enjoyed all the unique elements of this basement and just amazing design. Can't thank you enough.
Thank you. We had so much fun with this one. The clients were amazing, really involved, and we had so much fun.
Yeah.